Did you ask yourself, is your home fully covered when disaster strikes? Hi, my name is Nikolai Zubian from Shield Public Adjusters, where we manage and maximize your insurance claim. Recent wildfires in California have left nearly 18,000 properties destroyed. Many of them will likely find that they don't have enough insurance coverage to cover the cost of the rebuilding. I have met a family whose home was destroyed in Woolsey fire. They lost everything they owned in a matter of minutes. After reviewing their claim and policy coverages, to my disbelief, the coverages were about half that they need to rebuild the house and replace the personal property. That was devastating discovery for the family who felt cheated by insurance company. Surveys from research firm Marshal and Swift have found that 60% of homeowners nationwide underinsured approximately by 17% of the cost that is a rebuilding for the house. This means if your home rebuilding cost is $300,000, you will be short $51,000. In California, per survey done by Uphelp, the policyholder advocacy group, more than 50% homeowners are underinsured by $75,000. This means that after losing their home, the majority of homeowners have to come up with additional funds from their own pocket to be able to rebuild. And all of this because of underinsurance of your property. Most homeowners will never know that they are underinsured because only 6% of the insurance claims are total losses. But we all witnessed the natural disaster will not guarantee that your home will not be in that percentage. Main reasons why your home insurance may be underinsured. First, since purchasing the property, many homeowners upgrade their homes and even add square footage, which increase the rebuilding cost, but they do not adjust for the coverage to reflect the value. Second, the rise in construction costs can create gap in home original insurance coverage and cost of rebuilding. Construction costs can skyrocket when a natural disaster strikes due to a shortage of material and labor. Third, insurance companies usually adjust the coverages for inflation, but construction costs often rise more quickly. The average cost of residential construction between 2013 and 2017 rose 6%, more than 4 times of inflation rate. Most insurance companies never inspect the houses they insured, and homeowners are misled by insurance companies' assessments, which often can result in underinsurance of the property. Insurance companies argue that it is homeowners' responsibility to have adequate coverages for their house. The reason for this is that homeowner knows their individual home better and should adjust their coverages adequately. Unfortunately, the courts are rarely siding with homeowners in underinsured situations. So what can you as a homeowner do to protect your family and property? First, we recommend using web tools such as AccuCoverage or HomeSmart reports to get low and high home rebuilding prices. Second, make sure your insurance coverages are the same or even greater than estimates. The amount of the coverages can be found in the insurance declaration page. Third, check your coverages for personal property. Make sure you have enough coverage to replace your personal items. Fourth, choose replacement value over actual cash value. This will ensure that you will be covered for replacing the item, not what they were when loss happened. Fifth, check your loss of use coverage. This covers you and your family to live elsewhere for time that your home is rebuilding. Check the rental prices not for empty houses, but furnished. Sixth, make a decision on the extra coverages such as earthquake and a flood, which are not covered by regular home insurance policies. Seventh, make sure your liability coverage is 2 or 3 times more than your net worth in case of you liable for any damages. Consider obtaining umbrella coverage. 8. Any changes that you request from your insurance agent or a broker, make sure in writing or an email. Hope you have found this video helpful, and if you know anyone else that will benefit from this video, please like and share. For now, have a nice day.